Special Products and Manufacturing has been serving OEMs for over 50 years. We are ISO certified and we are a contract manufacturer that specializes in metal fabrication, machining, electromechanical assembly, welding, and powder coat. Our major industries are oil and gas, fuel distribution, medical, and transportation. Before Plex, we used to have one system. It was operationally focused. It did not have great reporting or metrics that we could get from it.
Some of the functions that we had to carry out were very time-consuming, prone to data entry errors, things like pulling data from one portal and manually typing it into an ERP, where now with Plex, that's all automated. It reduced the amount of time, it reduced the headcount required to support just simple functionality and operations, and the data accuracy is 100%. The integration with Plex really allows us to save hours in each department, and we pride ourselves with what can we automate with Plex, and very seldom do I come back with it can't be done. I would say almost 10 times out of 10 we can automate to save hours, increase accuracy, and what that translates really to is we run lean and we're able to offer low prices for our customers, get their products out on time, and have the highest quality. So what Plex has allowed us to do is just-in-time manufacturing. What that really means is whenever a customer places an order, there's a particular lead time for that part. As that part goes through our manufacturing floor, it's going to make stops at various departments. We do not want hardware, for example, coming in a month before it's needed in that department.
So the reports that come from Plex allow us to put in a forecast, understand what that forecast is going to look like, and then buy to that forecast. We can put the lead times into the system, and the system will drive when we need to purchase those items. So if the lead times go up, we adjust the lead times to go up and reflect when we need to purchase those items. The cost of quality has been a big focus for our strategic plan. And this year, by putting that effort into our organization, we were able to develop reports that allowed us to understand what is our rework, remake numbers, what's our PPM, what's the internal PPM, the external PPM, how can we drive down those costs, and then communicating that all the way through the organization at all levels so they all understand what that looks like. And when you have everybody focused on quality and they are looking at the numbers, it totally makes a difference, and it definitely decreased cost. This year we did go down in cost by about 35%.
So I love visiting customers like SPM. It makes me excited about what's happening in manufacturing. And you might be hearing all these issues that are going on, like workforce and labor issues and supply chain issues. But for SPM, it just means we roll up our sleeves and figure it out. And they have a fantastic technology vision, a huge amount of ingenuity, a fantastic people culture to not only address those problems, but also to gain a real competitive advantage in the marketplace.
What makes SPM valuable to our customers really is our backbone, which is Plex. Plex is able to schedule for their parts to be delivered on time, and in order to do that, it has to go through each department, look at its capacity, look at the hours that the folks are going to be in the shop, and it allows us to schedule for those parts to continue all the way through the shop floor to be delivered to the customer on time.